This account has around 543 entries for the month. Two files arrive from the bank, a PDF and a CSV. The PDF can be converted, but the CSV is built for bulk importing, beating manual capture. Let's open the CSV and see what surprises are in store for us. Download the CSV, then open it from your Downloads folder. Scroll to the bottom with me. This account has around 543 entries for the month. Manually capturing 543 lines, not happening. That's why we rather import the transactions into Sage in one go. With your company created, you're ready to start the banking import. Go to Banking in the top navigation, then Transactions, Banking. In New Transactions, change import file type from OFX to CSV. Click Browse. Select the CSV you prepared and choose Import File. The import runs. And if all goes well, you'll see the CSV file imported successfully. If it's your first time on Sage and you need help setting up your company, I've made a step-by-step video to lay a solid foundation for your business.